In this video, I'll show you save file location for Bloodstained Ritual of Night and how to back it up. All you have to do is press the Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Find Bloodstained ROTN and double click on the save games, and this is where all your game progress will be saved. Now I show you guys how to back up this game progress. Just go back, just copy this saved folder and paste it in another location. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore your game progress just by copy and paste it in this location and replace the file in the destination, and if the game progress will be back. And now I'll show you guys the config file location. Open the saved config Windows Now Editor and game user settings. Just right click and select edit in notepad. In here you can edit your in-game graphic settings. As you can see, view distance, quality, everything you can change it, and select file and select save, and the settings will be saved in game. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.